The Pakistan-Afghanistan conflict refers to the ongoing tensions and hostilities between Pakistan and Afghanistan. The conflict is rooted in a number of historical, cultural, and political factors, including border disputes, religious, and the influence of external actors. One of the key issues in the conflict is the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan, known as the Durand Line. The border was drawn by the British in 1893, and was later recognized by Pakistan after it gained independence in 1947. However, Afghanistan has never recognized the Durand Line as an official border, and has repeatedly demanded that parts of Pakistan be ceded to Afghanistan. Another issue is the role of Islamist militants in the conflict. Pakistan has long been accused of supporting militant groups that operate in Afghanistan, including the Taliban. Afghanistan, in turn, has accused Pakistan of providing safe havens and support for Taliban fighters. The conflict has also been complicated by the involvement of external actors. The United States, for example, has been involved in the conflict since it invaded Afghanistan in 2001 in the aftermath of the 9/11 attacks. The US has accused Pakistan of not doing enough to combat terrorism, while Pakistan has criticized the US for carrying out drone strikes on its soil. The Pakistan-Afghanistan conflict has had a significant impact on both countries, as well as the wider region. It has resulted in thousands of deaths, displacement of people, and economic losses. Efforts to resolve the conflict have been ongoing, including through diplomatic channels, but have yet to achieve a lasting solution.